Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today I just want to show you our first of many PC project builds sponsored by Gigabyte, and this is the project AORUS Ice. So let's talk about what's inside this PC. We have the Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Pro X motherboard in an all-white design, and is powered by Intel's latest 14th gen processor, the Intel Core i9-14900K. We also have the Corsair Titanium First Edition DDR5 7232GB kit. We also have the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 Ti in a custom hand-painted front shroud right here. And for the SSD, we have the Corsair NP700 2TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD. For cooling, we have the Gigabyte WaterForce X2 360 Ice all-in-one cooler with the magnetic fans and a nice LCD display as well. We also have 3 Thermaltake CT140 ARGB cooling fans, 2 at the bottom and 1 at the back right here. We also mounted 3 additional cooling fans on the side, and these are the Thermaltake Schwafan 12 EX ARGB. And to power this up, we have the Gigabyte UD1000 GM PG5 Revision 2 80+ gold power supply. And for the chassis, we have the Height Y70 non-touch with a 3-piece panoramic glass, which gives it a stunning view. Alright, let's power this up and see what it looks like. Wow. Look at the RGB coming on, very nice. And look at the LCD screen on the all-in-one cooler. Yeah, looks really stunning. It's been really fun to build this PC, so let me show you how we did it. And there you have it. This is the Project AORUS Ice. It's one of many Gigabyte PC builds that we'll be doing this year. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy all of these components via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.